Hello and welcome. My name is Edita, and today I'm going to show you this Hisense PureFlat BCD 628W refrigerator with smart screen. But firstly, about the brand. Hisense has over 55 years experience of selling home appliances all over the world. We all know them by the Hisense televisions and laser projections, but of course the next steps in the evolution of home appliances are smart screens in refrigerators. Let's start on the outside. Premium flat doors with metal handles. What is good about these doors is that they look premium. They are practical because prevent scratches, and they make cleaning easy. Next thing you notice is, of course, ice and water dispenser that you don't need to open the refrigerator to get the ice or cold water. And, of course, 25-inch touchscreen. But before we go to that, let's open the fridge and look inside. Antibacterial guard eliminates up to 99.9% of bacterials for safe food storage. This refrigerator and freezer has 614 liters of capacity, so that means almost up to 400 liters for fresh food and 215 liters for frozen items. What we firstly notice is, of course, the saying metal tech cooling. What this means is basically that keeps your food fresh, delicious, with consistent, energy-efficient cooling and sleek finishes. Large capacity of this fridge is seen also in the door shelves because you have plenty of space. Not to forget also the bottom one, XXL door balcony for larger items. What I like is also this snack box to keep your snacks neatly organized and fresh. Obviously, Hisense can think of it all. For bigger shopping, you have a huge fruit and vegetable box where you can also control the humidity. And this large fruit and vegetable box makes, of course, less visits to the stores and saves you money. Now let's talk about the smart features. The integrated 21-inch touchscreen is your ConnectLife hub. You can manage household appliances via the app, leave messages for your family, share photos, check recipes, and even mirror your phone screen, so you never miss a moment, even during the big game. Meal planning is easier than ever. Use the food inventory to track what's inside, set expiration dates, and get notifications before food goes bad. The shopping list syncs with your phone, so you'll never forget what to buy. And with chef recipes, you have access to over 180 dishes right on the big screen. So this Hisense PureFlat refrigerator is more than a refrigerator. It's like a smart hub for your food and your family. Thanks for joining me today.